In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Expedia Virtual Card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from searching for a hotel to completing a prepaid booking using a virtual card at checkout. Start by opening the Expedia site. You can use the Philippines version shown in this example, but the flow is similar in most regions. From the home page, select the Stays tab to search for accommodation. Enter your destination, travel dates, and guests, then run the search. Take a moment to scan the results, apply any filters you need, and pick a property that matches your plans. On the hotel page, choose a room to see the available rate options. This part is important if you plan to use a virtual card. Look for a rate that lets you pay online now rather than paying at the property. Prepaid or pay now rates allow you to enter card details during checkout, which is what you need for a virtual card. Review the room description, what's included, and the cancellation policy so you're comfortable with any deadlines or fees. When you're ready, click Reserve or a similar button to move forward. You'll land on a summary screen where you can double-check dates, the number of guests, nightly price, taxes, and fees. If everything looks good, choose Pay Now to proceed. Before you continue, confirm the currency and total. If your virtual card has a spending limit or is currency specific, make sure the amount falls within that limit and the currency is supported. Next, open the payment details section. Enter the virtual card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as they were provided to you. For the name on card and billing address, use the details that came with the virtual card instructions. Many virtual cards have a specific billing address you must enter to avoid a decline. If there's an option to save the card to your account, leave it unchecked, since virtual cards are single-use or time-limited by design. After you've reviewed the traveler information and any special requests, click Complete Booking. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a confirmation screen with your itinerary, and you'll also receive a confirmation email. Because you paid online, the property is informed that payment has been taken care of, and behind the scenes, the charge routes to the virtual card tied to your booking. Keep your confirmation handy for check-in and make sure any changes or cancellations are done before the policy deadline to avoid fees. If the virtual card is declined, check that it's still active, the amount and currency match, and the billing address is correct. Then try again. That's it. You've successfully used a virtual card on Expedia.